Hey there, traders out there in trader land. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, February 19th, 2013. Wow, big pop today on the markets. The S&P hits a fresh 5-year high. Wow, big pop. We have the S&P up 0.73%, the Dow up 0.4%, Nasdaq up 0.7%, Russell's up almost a full percent, Banks up 0.7%, VIX off 1.4%. The VIX was higher by almost 3% at the start of the day, but as the day started rallying higher, you had those bears out there buying to cover their shorts, and it caused a nice little rally going into the close. And you have gold off 0.28%, silver off 1.35%, U.S. or crude oil here up 0.7%, U.S. dollar up a fraction. Transportation's up 1.25%, so very, very healthy there, and a big healthy move on the defensive sector. Utilities here up almost a full percent. And check this out today. S&P, boom, nice pop above this red line that we were watching so closely. If you watch my weekend edition video, you'll know that I have some significant concerns. Well, those concerns are still there. However, it looks like we have a nice little move going, so we are buying a little time at this moment. So if this continues to rally, the next area is about this 1540 coming across there would put us about at where that trend line is, and we will be at resistance at that point. If you look here at a weekly chart, what's nice about the week so far is we're poking our head up, but this is what normally happens, especially when you have a bearish divergence on the MACD. What you will see is this nice pop higher and then a retraction by week's end down here to get below this trend line, much like we saw here. It rallied above, came right back down. Over here, rallied above, came down, rallied above, came back down, rallied above, came back down before the week was done. Here, we rally above. The question is, will it drop back down? If so, what we could expect is a down leg, just like it did here and just like it did here. So keep your eyes on this. Let's also take a look at the Dow here. The Dow just kind of still choppy sideways. Look, a little bullish move here. Looks like it's wanting to make a little bit of a move to the upside. Nasdaq is at that resistance line already. You can see support here, resistance, 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 and resistance. We're right there at it right now. And then on the Russell's daily, nice little move off of this area. You might be thinking, wow, this is a crazy looking trend line because we're cutting off some things here. But if I bring you to a line chart, you'll see how perfectly it lines up. So we have a nice little rally. We have some resistance coming up. So it's something that we're certainly watching right now. And let's take a look at gold. Gold, if it starts to rally and go back above this trend line, we're looking for buying opportunities. That's why you see buy right here. Silver, we are at a major area. Now this area we do so far for the day have a close below a major trend line. Now this trend line, this is no good that it closed below that because it's showing a lot of relative weakness now. And you'll see that this line has been used several times coming higher, and now we are slightly below that. So silver is in real trouble right now. It needs to rally back. If it does rally back off of this line, starts to pop, looking for a buying opportunity. And if you take a look at Google's over 800 bones now. I mean, really strong. But look at the trend line that it's at this moment. We have resistance here, boom, tagged it and stopped right at that resistance point. Take a look at Apple. Apple here. Now Apple's looking really good to me here. We have this falling wedge. We dropped out of it, gave us a jab. We pop up. We have a bull pullback with the doji. Looks like this dude is wanting to rally pretty soon. If so, a buying opportunity on Apple. Let's take a look at Facebook. Facebook had this little falling wedge. Kind of a flag type formation. Is starting to make a move here, but it's on lackluster volume. Not so excited about that. It needs to make a bigger move than this. One that I'm taking a look at right now is Q-Core. Be watching this one, gang. I had some news back here at $19, and I failed to get in on that news, and I'm kicking myself now because what a massive run Q-Core has been on. So be watching that one. So with that, I'm going to sign off. I would love to be your mentor. You have that opportunity this weekend. So certainly do not have to, but I would sincerely recommend that you fill out the form on our website, contact Carolina at groktrade.com. Do something to contact us to get set up where you, from the comforts of your own home, no matter what country you're in. We have viewers from 155 countries. We have a nice group this weekend. We are looking at Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Let us help you. Mark is all geared up for this presentation and this mentorship, and if you haven't been watching his videos, make sure you do so. We are completely full for the Mexico mentorships that we're doing in March, so no opportunities to do that, but we are looking to do another date sometime down the future. Take care. Share us with a friend. Spread us around at those trading communities you're a part of. I think they'll appreciate this level of high-end technical analysis. Take care. You guys are the best, and we'll see you next time.
This may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, they weren't executing consistently nor disciplined in managing risk. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up today before it's too late for your trading.